How to redeem Robux gift card on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll provide you with the detailed instructions on how to redeem a Robux gift card on your mobile device. So if you find this guide helpful, we kindly request you to consider subscribing and liking the video for further support. So to begin, the initial step is to close the Roblox application on your mobile device and open your preferred web browser. In this instance, we'll be using Google Chrome web browser. Once the web browser is opened, navigate to the website by typing in roblox.com and hitting go. Soon after, a prompt will appear on your screen. Simply click on the Continue to Browser to proceed. Following this, you will need to sign in to your Roblox account, and if you're already signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Roblox icon. From the menu that appears, select the option to redeem the Roblox codes. Now retrieve your Roblox gift card, whether it is a physical card or a digital one. In the case of a physical card, flip it over to access the code by scratching off the provided area, and next return to the redemption page on your device and enter the code. Once you have completed these steps, click on the Redeem button, and a pop-up notification will confirm the successful redemption of the code, along with the respective amount now credited to your account. So if the amount was in Robux, it will be directly added to your balance. So we hope you found this detailed guide useful. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.